Welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to share today's video with you guys. I got some mail from Erika in the mail. Thank you so much, Erika, for sending me these goodies. I can't wait to open it, so I decided that I wanted to do the unboxing here on my channel. As always, I love to share everything that you guys send me. It's really nice to know that you guys think about me and that you guys appreciate me. So I appreciate you guys very much, and I'm so grateful. So let's go ahead and dive right in because I'm super excited to see what she got me. In case you guys don't know, Erika is the one that I sent the Hello Kitty theme planner to, and she had messaged me and she told me that she had a little thank you gift for me that she was going to send me, which she absolutely did not have to, but I'm so grateful. So here we are. We're just going to pull everything out. Oh, so cute. All these goodies. Alright, let's see what else we got. Awesome. Alright, so the first thing that she sent me are these little llama stickers, which is awesome because I think I only have like 1 or 2 left of these, and I love it, you guys. You guys know I love llamas, so really adorable. And then she also sent me a little washi set. This is called Orange Soda, so it has, I'm going to open it just so you guys can see what it looks like. Why not, right? It's mine. Really cute. So this one has like the little oranges. Really adorable. Hopefully it is focused. And then this one just says, it says interesting, special, like, powerful. So a lot of fun words. Really cute. Okay. And then this one has a lot of like grids and different sizes. So really cute. It's kind of like an orange and turquoise tone. Beautiful. Love those. Thank you so much, Erika. And then over here she sent some more washi tapes. They're actually called masking tapes, and these are in the blue tones. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. This one has like little flowers. This one has like a little shape to it. And then this one has like paint. The clouds is so cute. And then this one's kind of like a boat theme or a sea theme. The little dolphins, the flowers, and the leaves, and the stars. Really adorable. Thank you, Erika. I appreciate this. She also sent me a little llama coin. Oh my god, that's so cute. It's a coin bag. And then in the inside, she added a few goodies. Look at how cute that is. I love it. I love using all these little bags in my purses. And then she also sent me a Llama Charm. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. I love that. I'm going to have to make a little charm for myself. And she also sent me No Llama Drama. Look at that, you guys. It's a mirror. That's so cute. I love that. Alright, and then she also sent me a card, which I will read. And then she also sent me some llama stickers. They have like a foil on them. They're really cute. Loving the cactus plants. Here we have some more gold llamas, gold cactus plants, a gold sun. And then she sent me some sticky notes. Really pretty. I love the color print, the patterns. Absolutely adorable. And that's pretty much it, you guys. Oh, thank you so much, Erika. I loved it all. Thank you for thinking of me. You guys know what to do. Give Erika a big shout out in the comments down below. Let her know how awesome she is. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.